Hi, my name's Rod J.R. Duff, and I am the Executive Director for Business Development for the IMS Tri Mechanical companies. Today our company services the foods, steel manufacturing, print, and plastics industries with locations in Texas, Michigan, California, and our new corporate facility in Oswego, Illinois. I started as an inside sales rep in 1989 with the ambition to become a full-service plastics provider. Along the way, the mantra "plastic is fantastic" was born. Because plastic is fantastic, the world today would not have many of the technologies, cost-saving benefits, and conveniences we have without plastics. Our original ambition as a company has been fulfilled and exceeded. Our company has a full design and engineering department, a full aftermarket services team, and a very energetic team of inside and outside sales professionals. I am proud to say that each of these distinct and separate departments complement each other and are managed by some of the best individuals I have ever met. They and the people who support them are the backbone of our company. If you have any questions about the equipment we sell, injection molding machines, extruders, auxiliary equipment, or the services we provide, visit imstri.com or call 630-636-7411.